Hi everyone, I am ML Chaudhary, life coach, motivational speaker. Friends, today I will talk to you about the value of time in our life. Well, time is of great essence because it can only be utilized at that precise moment. The value of an unused moment drops to zero when the moment passes. Make every moment count by managing your time effectively. Respect time, otherwise, it will not respect you. Well, airports are always buzzing with excitement. You can see people arriving, departing, and waiting, and the airport staff busily moving about their routine. Everything happens according to time. A slight delay in a particular activity derails the entire schedule for the day. Every aeroplane has limited number of seats and they try to fly as much as possible to gain profit. The seats have different prices and they fill accordingly. Once the plane takes off with an empty seat, the value of that seat drops to zero. It doesn't matter if the empty seat is in economy or business class. The opportunity to cash on it is gone. A seat is only valued when it is paid for. An empty seat has no value. The same principle can be applied to our life. Each one of us has a specific amount of time assigned for every task. If we do not act in the time designated for that moment, it is lost forever. It is not going to come back. It is like the empty seat. Lost or wasted time can never be recovered. As long as you are on earth, you have 24 hours in a day. Many people find it difficult to accomplish their everyday tasks in the 24 hours. But how do the others do it? After all, they also have 24 hours at their disposal. The answer lies in effective time management. Successful people manage their time successfully. Many people fail to meet their deadlines because they do not prepare a list of tasks they have to perform. They have large projects in hand but they fail to list down the small goals that will take them towards their larger goal. When people do not have a list, they concentrate on any random task and in the end fail to complete the project or live up to expectations. Respond cleverly to the tasks that are urgent as well as important. Do not waste time on tasks that are neither urgent nor important. Thank you, friend. Please, if you like this video, share it to others and subscribe my channel.